Kanye West and Adidas have been releasing Yeezy after Yeezy after Yeezy across the entire line, from the 350s to the 700s to the 700 V2s and etc. Now, it's a great thing because it gives us consumers one thing that we originally didn't have with the first range of Yeezys. We now have the power to choose. We have the power to choose the colorway that we want. We have the power to choose which one we want and buy it because the prices are a little bit friendlier compared to the original resale prices that Yeezys were selling for. And that, I think, is a wonderful thing. Which leads me to our early unboxing for today. I've already seen a lot of the new Yeezys coming up, at least the leaked images and the teasers, and I was actually able to pick already the ones that I wanted to buy for the year. This is one of them, and it's okay for you not to agree with me because, again, the beautiful thing about this one is style and color is all personal and it's all subjective. The great thing is we can actually, the chances of you being able to buy what you want is at its highest right now. Anyway, let's get to it. Guys, my name is Carlo. Welcome to my vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech, and this is my early unboxing of the Yeezy 700 Inertia. Before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to the people who made this early unboxing possible. Sole Academy. Sole Academy is a multi-brand sneaker lifestyle store here in the Philippines, and they have multiple branches all over the country. This early unboxing was made possible in partnership with them. So shout out to Sole Academy, and if you guys want to buy sneakers, make sure that you check out their store. Support the stores or support the partners that support this vlog. So as you guys can see, it comes in your typical brown Yeezy carton box with 700 here at the top, the details and the information here along the side. Please ignore the price. They've made the mistake with the price tag. This will be corrected with the actual correct retail version. It says here 11,495. That is the price for the 350s. The 700s sell for 16,000 pesos. So if you pull the inner compartment out, you have that typical blank tissue paper, and then you get to the sneaker. This is the Yeezy 700 Inertia. And it's okay for you not to like it. That's one of my main points for this vlog. And it's okay for you to like it as well because I like it. So yeah, we have the same taste. So anyway, I love the colors. I love the muted pale blue-gray color that it has, as well as the pop of color, that accented orange along the sides that it also brings to the table. I just like it because it's a mix between being muted and at the same time the pop of color gives it a little more life, as well as the different materials that they used with the V1 Yeezy. That is actually the hallmark of the Yeezy Wave Runner. Apart from being like a 90s chunky vibe shoe, the wild layers of materials just really gave it so much life. For example, you have that Suede Toe Box here, which is really nice quality, and that same suede material stretches along the medial and the lateral side of the sneaker all the way to the heel part here at the back. But if you go to the middle of the shoe, you have the mesh material, which gives it breathability and flexibility, and then you have that leather which stretches along the sides of the laces, which reaches all the way here at the top. You have reflective materials here, those two like dots, both on the lateral and the medial side as well. And then once you go down, you have that wavy midsole that was popularized by the Yeezy 700 OG Wave Runner. The great thing about this one, again, I just love the pop of orange or salmon, whatever color this is, at the part near the heel. If you go to the outsole, you have that white rubber outsole, which also protects the boost material of the midsole that you guys see here. So this is one of the few dad shoes that has boost in them. So how is the Yeezy 700 on feet? Now, I haven't actually put this on feet yet, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys, but I have done reviews of previous Yeezy 700 models in the past. I will put links down below to the comment section as well as the description box to my reviews of the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner OG, to the Yeezy 700 Mauve, and the Yeezy 700 V2 Static, which I actually have right here. This is my favorite V2 right now, and I actually feel that I'm pretty good with these two 700s for the rest of the year. If ever I end up buying another 700 V2 or V1, most likely it will just be for review. In terms of styling and overall colorway, I'm pretty set with the two pairs that I have in my hand for my personal collection. And that's where I would want to end this vlog. The great thing again about the Yeezy line of Kanye is that there are a ton of new colorways coming, and I guess the onus is on us to be able to research and pick which are the ones that we want to buy. So it's not just buying for the sake because it's hype and it's because it's out there. You buy it because you want what it looks like, and you can actually dress for the shoe that you are picking up. You don't buy it and then force yourself to wear it just because it's a Yeezy. You buy it because you want the style, you like the style, and it fits your personality and your vibe. You don't have to force yourself into something that who you are not. So that, I think, is one of the nicest things about the plethora of options when it comes to sneakers, not just Yeezys in general. Buy the one that complements who you are, complements your style, and complements your vibe, and don't force fit yourself to something that you're not. Now, I will be doing a more comprehensive on-feet review this weekend once I actually put it on feet and walk around it a little bit more. But yeah, please do check out my reviews of the other 700s that I've done reviews on. Links can be found down below. And before we end, quick shout out again to Sole Academy for making this early unboxing possible. They will be announcing the mechanics for how they will be selling the 700 Inertia. Please do check out their IG account and follow them there so you can find the information when it is already available. And that actually wraps up our early unboxing of the Yeezy 700 Inertia. Guys, I would love to hear from you. What are the Yeezys that you are looking forward the most to cop this 2019? Hit the comments, share your thoughts, share with the community what is it that you want to buy. Is it the Inertia? What else? The Hyperspace 350s? The Clay 350s? Let me know down in the comment section below, and let's have a great discussion. Just to incentivize you guys to share and comment, I will be picking 2 winners who will get Crep Protect sprays. So leave a comment down below. I will draw the winners this Sunday. 2 lucky people who will share their thoughts on what Yeezy they want to keep will win Crep Protect sprays from me. Quick note, Crep Protect Philippines was kind enough to give you guys a 15% discount on their website, vault.ph. The link to that website, as well as the special code that you should use to get that 15% discount, down below. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so, because we are about to announce the mechanics for our giveaway of the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. Make sure that you're subscribed, so hit that subscribe button literally right now, and then hit that notification bell, and while you're at it, follow me on Instagram. And that wraps up our review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave your thoughts down below on which Yeezy that you want to cop for 2019. Peace, God bless, what's up? Thank you very much, Sole Academy. Boom!